Curated Collections is a feature that helps you to merchandise the existing CounterSketch library. To use Curated Collections, select a group of designs that you would like to draw special attention to. For example, maybe I am looking for styles that have cluster halos, and maybe within the cluster halos, I'm specifically looking for things that have more of a glamorous look to them. Now that I've narrowed my search results, I can begin to go through and left-click styles that I would like to include in my special curated collection, merchandised with the models that I think are most relevant for my customer base. Now that I've selected several styles, I can see that they are shown here in my session pick tray. Next, I want to add all of these marked designs to a portfolio. Now I can open this portfolio and give it a name. To rename the portfolio, right-click and select Rename. We're going to rename this collection Summer 2020 Clusters. Now that I've created my merchandised collection, I want to create a tile on my start screen to showcase that collection. To do this, we will start a new session, and then we'll go to our CounterSketch Start menu and choose from our preferences. Within Preferences, we'll select Customize Start Screen. Now we can start to adjust the tiles on our home screen to make room for our new collection. You can either decrease the size of an existing tile, or you can remove tiles of categories that you feel are less relevant for your customer base. As you do this, you will have the ability to rearrange the tiles and move things around on your screen. So you can resize tiles and kind of place them where you would like for them to be. Now that I've reconfigured my screen, I have place for a new tile. To add a new tile, left-click on the Add a New Custom Tile option. The new tile is added to the lower right, and now we can move it and place it where we would like it to be. Next, we decide what we would like to link this tile to. So left-click on the Link option to choose where you would like this tile to link. To choose an existing CounterSketch portfolio, we'll just left-click on CounterSketch Portfolio. From here, we'll choose our Summer 2020 Clusters option, and then we can rename this if we'd like. And maybe we'll name it Trending so that our customers know that these are trending styles. Then I'll left-click on Submit. Now I need to add a graphic to this tile. I can choose from lots of different graphic options. So if I left-click on Add Photo, I can browse and choose from the existing renders that are part of the CounterSketch library tiles. I can go into my pictures and choose images that I have saved from CounterSketch or logo files. In this instance, I'm going to choose my logo. Once I've chosen the image, I could choose how I want it to present. So if we'd like for it to be stretched to fit the size of the tile, if we want it to be uniform, or uniform and fill. I'm going to select Uniform and then left-click on Save. Once I'm done making the adjustments and adding my curated collection, I'm going to left-click on Save Tiles. Now you can see that my tile layout has been updated to include my new styles, which I've called trending. If I left click on my logo, it's going to open and show me the styles that were part of that Summer 2020 Clusters collection. This is how you can use CounterSketch to merchandise a curated collection of designs from the existing CounterSketch library to show your customers what you feel is most relevant for them.